So after opening the Canva application, just click on the plus sign as usual to start or to create something from scratch. Okay, so after that you click on custom size, and the standard size for business card is 1280 by 750. Okay, 750, that is the standard business card, in the standard size of business card. Okay, so let's wait for the workplace to appear. So you can see, and this time around I'm going to use background, so I'm not using solid color. So I will be tapping on the background color so that I will be able to replace. Okay, so it will be directing me to my gallery and I will be importing the image. So this is the image I will be using. So let's wait. You can see it has appeared. So the next thing I will do is I'll go to my shapes. Okay, I will look for that curve square. Okay, see curve square here. I will be using it. Just spread it. Okay, spread it widely. Just spread it also, and then after that I will be changing the color to orange, but let me just finish spreading it first. So let's change the color to orange. Click on the plus, direct it to the position of the yellow, or orange. So you can see it like this. So you need to copy it, duplicate it. So I'm going to customize the duplicate also by changing the color to black. So I will be customizing it. You can see just I'm using my hand. Okay, so you are also to use yours, and you can see I place it in the center of this design. So the next thing I will do is just watch what I'll do. You know, in Pixel Lab we used to merge things, while in Canva we used to group things. So after clicking the three dots, you will see a menu showing select multiple. Then click it and click on other image you want to group. Then scroll, you will see a group. Then you click on group. That means you have grouped those shapes or just images. That is, you can move them, you can do anything with them, and they will be grouped. You can ungroup it. Okay, so this is it, how you can group things. So after that, just take it a little bit upward like this. So to copy it, you need to tap on the three dot near it. You can see copy here. So just paste what you copy. Okay, you can see what you paste, what you copy. Then you take it a little bit down, also just as we did for the first one. So the next thing I will do is I think I'm done with the designing first. So I will just be going to my gallery and importing some logos. Okay, so the logos I will be using. So but before then I need to add my text, that is the name of the guy I'm designing this business card for. Let's say I said Ojima Daniel, just as the way I did for Canva users. Just increase the size of this Ojima Daniel, place it here, and the next thing I'll do is I'll go to my elements and look for a straight line. So you can see straight line here. So just tap on it, increase the size of the straight line. So just using your hand, just increase it wide, just increase it, make it straight. Okay, so after that you need to duplicate. Maybe you can duplicate or you can add another one, but let's duplicate this Ojima Daniel and edit it. Let's write graphic designer, that is his profession. When you are designing for a CEO, you're supposed to write CEO for that place. So if you are designing for cleaner, you should write cleaner and that. So this is it. I'm just like the rank of the Ojima Daniel is just a graphic designer. So I will be reducing the size of this text. As you can see, just reduce the size of the text and find a place somewhere here around close to the end of the straight line, and just paste it there. So scroll to this B format and click on this slanting to make it a slanting text. So I will be going to the gallery, as I told us before, to import those images. So as you can see, you just double tap on the image to crop. Okay, So just double tap it and use your hand either to zoom out or using the borders to just as I use the two method now. I zoom out the pictures and I use the coordinate to settle it down. So reduce the size and place it deep under the straight line that is under the graphic designer text. So I'll be going to my elements or shapes, gallery. I'm going to my gallery to import those logos, social media logos, because in business card we give specific information about the person we are designing the card for. Okay, so just double tap on it to zoom. Okay, or not to zoom, to crop. Double tap on the image and to crop that shape. So don't worry when you saw some kind of blackish color. If you have removed the background before, you don't need to worry. Okay, you don't need to worry. That's how Canva is. Sometimes it's used to show with the dark side. So just reduce the size and go to my gallery again and import the second logo. I will be importing them first before writing the texts. So you can see I finished uploading the logo, so I will be adding the texts now. So let's click on this add little orbit text, and Ojima Daniel, just name like his social media handles that I'm just like editing it. That just let me increase the size. So just place it here, copy it, also copy it and copy it, because we'll be editing any part or all the things we have copied. Okay, so just edit for the Twitter. Just let me add ads to the front of the Ojima Daniel. Okay, so for this I will have to add my number, and for the location I have to write my address. So let me quickly do that. So I can see that the texts are kind of lengthy, or let me say they are big enough, so I'll be reducing them to about 23 or 22, 24 like that. So I'll be reducing all the size of these fonts. Okay, and after that you can see I'm almost done with all the details about Ojima Daniel, social media handle, where you can find the miss address and other things. Okay, so this is what business card comprises of. Okay, it comprises of the basic information about the person. Okay, so I think, and business card has two pages. We have front page and the back page. The front page is page where you saw all these details, while the back page is the company logo and the company name, company slogan if there is any. So I think we are done with this page because we have the necessary social media handles. So just will be saving it like that, and you know how to save it. Just save it to your gallery, and from that we are going to erase all the data here and create the front page. So I hope all of you guys at the end of this class will be able to create both the front page and the back page, as we have already done the first page. Okay, so you can see it have successfully, or we have successfully saved that the front page. So we'll be going to the back page now in order to make the necessary correction, and doing so I'll be deleting all these texts. Okay, I'll be deleting the line, the designer, the logo, the everything. I'll just be leaving my design. Okay, I will just be left with those design I created from the beginning, because they are the template, or they are like my version or key of view that I'll be using. Okay, so and I will be needing one. So let me delete this first. I'll be taking this one, so I'll just be rotating it and placing it one side here and the other one in the opposite direction. That is, they will be in vertical positions. Okay, so as we know how to group items and how to ungroup them. Okay, so that's what I'm just going to do now. So as we can see, we are just taking this on this side and copying and pasting. So let's copy and paste. Click on copy and paste, so click on copy it and just paste it. After pasting it, you'll be able to move it to the other direction. So when I'm done, like I made this just two vertically opposite, so I'll just be adding my logo and the company name. That's all. I'm done with this business card. Okay, so I'll just be going to my gallery to download or to get that picture from. So here is the image. As I already told you, you don't need to worry about that blackish if you know you have removed the background, so it will remove by itself. That's just one of the, like, I don't know, even when this feature started, you'll just be seeing the blackish for sometimes and it will disappear before you finish the design at all. So let me just add my text. Just click on add a heading and let me write the name of our academy, Tweak Insight Academy, because we are here to teach you guys how to create a logo. So in our next class tomorrow, we'll be teaching you guys how to create a simple logo. So just the next thing, or the remaining things, is just to add a little text like a slogan. You want to write the slogan of our company. Okay, so this is the slogan. We just take it a little bit down the Tweak Insight, down the text. So with this we are done. We are completely done, because we have all the necessary details. So yes, we have all the necessary details. We have the logo, the company name, and the slogan. So this is the front. This is the back of the business card, whereby the first one we created was the front of it. So let me just try this way if it can versus the issue. Okay, so let me try it again. I don't know. So you can see finally it has removed. I don't know what causes this. So with this we are done with this logo. Not this business card. We can save it to our gallery, and later on I'll tell us how, or I'll show you how we can print out this business card and present it to our clients. So on our next video we are going to see how to make logos, how to make simple logos.